Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire.
What up, everybody? Welcome, and welcome again to Aubreaction. You know what it is, man? So we are back again. This time, it's a new episode, kana new show, kana zwine vangazvibidza zvone zoruga tiri hapa namusi nobyanga zvazvibidza ndi top 10 2020 verse of the yeah, yo man, I know some of you are gonna fight with me for this. Some of you are gonna hate me. Some of you are gonna love me. Some of you, hey, rifuna zvone ndi muzika and huto yo ubana utata and opinion. These are going to be my opinions. No itana dzi savenya ndichibusa vatu what are top 5 verses na mina zvote. People gave me their verses of the year. Vamwe vachimpa dzimwe nyimbo dzakadzidivi. Ndaya download the nyimbo dzakayichubu dzakadziwana. And then I'm telling you guys, sorry, to come to the conclusion, it was difficult. Not only the teacher said because I mean, like, there were guys like and then if in that panga the verse who don't come in the favor I got like 57 songs. Then the bando zifaranga chanda heads on nyimbo which go fi andi fekazo or hawakoti ya minitary hapana msujino number tomo jina pasi nda amboli top 10 ndi if you really want to pass it only top 10 verse of 2020 ndizibiyo kwa number 10 awona mungu with the king of VENDRAP anaboli ndi Mizophyll and verse ya wina ndifuna ngamanda katreke ne aboli ndi atiyani inobizofi murumba ayo treke baka YouTube but they want the treke atiyani ibizofi mini murumba. I enjoyed this verse. Let's go.
Love is in the air, compadre fam. Don't na mesa unicorn, don't got a carousel. No kafara ndamo kisa de chikakasel. I'm with the faller in love, ring my man. She be digging my body, you know, kogwama said. Chimbiri, mlenje ya rearrange. Body ya we bad, sabana banjere. Karwe hila woko zandandi mubandere. Minezala ya kondo wana ende uba ana nne asakuwana oluka mabuja polishana na tubale entenda ndo bando manga nafonga ndo cho napende rwanga mo are achere mboru wanda bonongo to tundoze apaka ndo bonongo to achipara kana mbiru inga isa tutu mbiru yanga iko
waifa. Did you hear that? That was Mizophyll. The verse in what ika number 10. Aka verse imba kamerumba. Cheka no una cash flow. This verse, guys, this verse was one of the best in our ifaka Mizophyll literally. Yeah, you can tell me what you think about it. Yotia no ibe hone hapa ndio mbuzi zo zitutire. Ndio mbuza yotia no he verse ibe hone hapa betukana ngosko for tio yo besanga manda na favor man. Yo besanga manda na favor. Tell me man, ndia taka za udo chibudziwe fuka kagana. Mara, that was the verse number 10. Aneka number 9. Number 9. Hey, the verse ya nyi. Hey, abatu basha akodo ngazidobi ngamanda. The verse ya Wicked obviously verse everything ngamanda. Kala check away vision of nothing personal. In here word yoba impersonal. So this verse was also personal. Look, man, I don't want to say much. Let's go.
Control my bars, on my papa control by the skirts. I wanna go up, I big so got the little events. We will call you through the door, in this jump on my fence. So my panga 2 cents can in touch my chest. Then with the Miss K, all that good enough with the origin. Bangas in Clemens and Caspanian and Sucha with blue. With the moon and I would deal with Villa finish to it all. Fucking goes and comes back like a hula hoop. God off, and the good in the mean of respect. Mama used to sing us, I can never switch in again. Shit is funny, that nigga did switch on my ass. After this, someday you wanna direct to brag. I got a girl around the shine, a melody. Whenever she around, I'm so quick to get on in the venda. Mara, I ain't riding that way. The father party back on all and I hustle no speak. I ain't riding with it for it.
So this verse, a verse ya wicked, you know. The verse na wouldn't have amanda your agent so take an episode of nothing personal. You can also get it and nepaka ichobo or another video nepaka ichobo. You can also get it and go and watch Nara's lyrics now for why I chose this verse, man. The flow on the beat, everything was amazing. Everything Don't want to do something a man that doesn't yeah, hapatiko buyo music and I mean so tender. I loved it. Now I'm choking because Zamo is a verse number in a word and the number 80 hapas you know verse in a word number 8 because Zamo is a kind of number chip up one but the kati number top fatal and but Banjibanga was surprised about this one because Batubanjiba way nanga when I was asking Batubanje verse in Nangor, hey, this is the verse in a word for Idio Ujena, and then I chose okay in Azurani number 80 because Ndako Chaka and the verse and the verse here Racha kill Akodaka one actually but Iwone hey verse and the verse number 2 in a word in the Avocat track about the rope.
Money, kabata ba money, 20, never gonna money, money, money. Yo, money, money. To the bar, but to the bosses, and to the fan, the cover heads, and the mother tits, and cover the heads, and the pencil fan, the chapel kids, and the Bucha, Chicotes, and Tango Bucha, Ucotes, and Copa Bucha, and the Cotes, and in a Malapa to Musaves, or dance number a gin. It was a joke when they don't have been, Murabana and the Calabogin, Dinamia Banabora Legin, Sagori too, Basana Sushi, Kulanam, and the Lakishini, she puts a phone in the machine, and in a rutend of fifth machine, and Dura Kuchin, and Thomas Cassini, to win a chain, which never seen, and the Koyaki, the start of the machine, and if you are killing the several vein, and they never feel it, they never follow, is the feeling, the wrong flow, the Fachikir. I want it, cover the fly.
Yeah, that was Racha Kill. Vai one verse number 20 award. Iko daka one in number 8. Hela ni verse number 2 tell. Hey, iko daka one in number 8 in the verse number 2 katika mzo fiwa. Iwone. Yo, what a beautiful verse. Ndikufuna chifuno ndikite cha kweti wa ndikufuna like wordplay ni abahone until and to something amanda. Knows about kuna kuna verse number 7 verse number 7 verse number 7 was only check up for a guy ndiko iwana ni wana mara ndando ifara man okay yeah one verse number 7 in your word in the cash flow verse ya cash flow and the number 7 cash flow katika ndio combo. Yo, this track is amazing. It's a combo. Over as over na Mizophyll, track up the number and because Zamo is after ya trauma one verse and sort of fisa boss to range. They don't have fisa verse fades. If you combo over as na Mizophyll at the rock for Dambanga Ambrawas.
That's the only reason I never shabby not to finesse a coramo. Penny popcorn in rolling at Chicago. Circulation to Kusaki rolling at the mob. Unlimited and explode as a bomber. And I'll see Bambi and everything go out fast. Caputs even be the and have a pass. No, what's your one out of Calero get in the house. Marabeva's got the dead and got riches got that a pass. Yeah, ask me what the gonna kill as the vest. I told the money get or in the repair as the vest. Shut it on the space, Nana, I think I reverse. Just like a lapanda, Cholanga live. Sharp like homie, but it's still live. Sharp, Aranda, the galley out loud. And I rather honey, baby, galley out loud. Sharp like homie. Them look like that.
So you know what I'm gonna do ne? Ndiko the or I check out this track. No, I could later bar breakdown okay track because man, this verse in a the punch in Jingamanda. Let me start into the probasa bomb. More than atinaki weather in the verse. Like man, that was amazing. Now we'll focus on number 6. Now we're in the number 6. Now we're in the verse yeah, Mizophyll. Oh, we are 40 till was the one the Mizophyll and the verse Mizophyll. Cut track and people forward. In our word here track in Utambango. I didn't enjoy the track. Mara verse Mizophyll. You were in a power and there you come out whatever. At the for of the Mizophyll Akormini.
I ran venda to Chimbi. That is the verse BB. The king and a feeling I'm being. Advice to Kumangami. Filipino mafiri Ninga wangaya buhiri Kana nalira ngambiti None wa muna hariri Damn Kenga na kurunoni Damn Dandi chukuchi duroni Fili ni wanga magon She never leave me alone Endo na nama baton Mlenja ya waku tuton Mawe Yowe Bachu Gucci Baby Jumi Bako bangi sabafui Na polisa ya farameti fareri Nando siya ni kosi fareri.
So you know this verse that's I do like after like the questions have been like sort of 15 I've been asked the word I post about and then this verse popped up to everybody where when I'm sorry top 5 verses and it popped up. Okay man, people are loving this verse. So majority rules. But after listening to it, let's go to verse number 5. Hey, the verse I don't think anybody over there want to do Mupanga, but he's there, man. He's there. He did the things. He did the parts. Utonga verse on to one up. Let me search on the one. So this is the verse number 2 in our track metro same G of you when I'm gone. And the verse I think I'm the verse in our yo man, your farama if yana worry okay, but let's go Arif.
And it was a top dog, rest in peace my bro. Now that it's gone, nibo phone of what I'm no mona am. Na re divenja la le blind, na re la le bas. No zwita na wa mkoma na chirasi ya regal. Banji no tomota bati nyimbo zawe gabdak. Hote no zwita kadichira, that ever da God. Okay, sharp pass me, I only got it back to me. I just wanna thank my real fans. But my knowledge being told in no situation in bed. Was with diva no the track is not meant for them. You I love you motherfuckers, with you I'm blessed. Honestly, hot and this a shorty cafes ballads of venda bandi ba hopas with diva and your pengisa come a bed. In the gangster on the set, aba bui was a sense. But in there on coke and red there. When I'm gone,
yo man, this verse is so personal. The verse in what ijenaka batuba njiro jena zipline na heaven now when I'm gone. This and this and this and this and that, man. Like, but when you think this is the bread verse. I feel like I can eat the ambas to Jingamanda because when I'm gone, people are gonna say, oh, this guy, this Zama, at least open to one view because they did it no to us and the but let's go, man. You should go the booster. Let's go to verse number 4. In our voyage, number 4, half verse of the year. This is 2020 top 10 verse of the year. Go some cards or Fuka Bukatis number 4 in our in the verse Yabatoni. I'm sure a lot of people are muti and I'm sure or maybe it's because I want to get but this is one of the best verse, man. Last year and the verse in our batondy bamia when of tab the altered beast the verse in our vaga track in of my fuego. I hope the kwamba zoneti the verse of my fuego verse number 2 in our nga hey ndira.
Everybody should be feeling my way. Wako samanyana ntisa wako swear. Ndetindini la muliro wako wear. Wanna dragon spita fires ya mamera. Now chief in repa propos ya patera. This is the tab nigga. Fasha karapa kwa wanda mkuma despite the web nigga. Wacha mabori wa wakisa to imanuta bisa have nigga. Babesa barara majali game kati ya nap nigga. Better step aside. Wako tomane better venda kuti mulito basabala sen. Yesu zifana no siya mera jenda dodo pamunuko was rating. Wale bafara wasendo agendo rinderiko chimiza tenda. Doma na bariko seya wale bango kushimiza ega. Fara mulino manda meteni do tembarubino bako mwana na shabana ndiro. Dipande kura na ino bako mwana ndibonga lisilo. Mara sama pera ndiro dipande do tendi wana lisio. Totali izima muliro.
Man, this verse have got a lot of things to say. Like, amen. And because hey verse, that was number 4. Batondy kama fuego. Verse number 2. Go and listen to it. Why? Hey verse ndo ipanga because it deserves to be in the top 4. But hey man, Rota top 3. Verse top 3. I'm sure verse in number 1. No, but man, I had to shift it a little. So I was for now my fuego in our and that's what the teachers of the tree. But the verse number 3, top 3, the verse in our we are footing Mizophyll, verse in a track in our over and a cash flow can over feature nga cash flow track and is of combo was a cash flow and panga cash flow chambers cash flow number 7 track. So verse Mizophyll the number number Femina, the number 3. So Mizophyll verse number 2 ina vuri katika no kuti combo. Let's go. Va pfe uri zvabuḓi buḓi yako femini.
Ngari bayarifuna bakobona ngandi musitsuni hamabunda bangadisoko kakarikaro no bakunda batsula bakorepa chikanda yanda kumba I'm on the move alelo ndiko uba ningakuda switch by the way I maneuver mudini ndila mafura ungari ndishtumba nahone ndila changa ndo chizumba god damn matsikomo ya wabo uba ukubang vachibona na dzizoro dzikupen waiting to gain kopenya kuven bathi bakuvenda mudibva ndikowen chilando yanalo mara ndichiwana ndikubuya ndala nabo bori arari kombo nowada rose inchinaitsanela rose them look like the light
guys eyo verse ina mango mabungo manjinga manda ane avuri vhathu vanji ndingasa verse but like I said I'm gonna like do a breakdown of this song combo ngori una so zwinzhi nana ndi tshi kona zwi pfa so ndi kho pfa new things each and every day and zwi to sumbedza uri ya ava vana vha tshi kho imba vho ḓimisela thiri zwo zwino are kha top 2 ina vho ndi number 2 ya shu thiri hafha the way of color number 2 ina vho vhathu vanji hey verse vho ipanga and I was like happy because nane ndani kho ivona zwa verse I ḓo vha verse ya vhuḓi nga maanḓa vhathu vanji verse vho ipanga ndi verse nga Romeo the Great White I know Romeo the Great haimbi like haimbi ene munhu achamba or uimba R&B and hip hop but he track over kuimba or uimba R&B and like pop but he track o imba ka track ina wor ikategorizwa kana ika category ya hip hop and track ina wor ndi ya vhuḓi nga maanḓa man a great verse ine ya vho oimba if izopfi tshifhinga nga Tiani track ya Tiani ino izopfi tshifhinga Romeo the Great White adana verse to thoma asinda ngona mukala a tshi kwamba buḓabaḓaba o dzumbaho a ḓo to bva What you pfana vona ndi imwe verse dza munthakeni nga maanḓa kana verse dza vhuḓi nga maanḓa thori verse dzine dza vhona yo man hey ndo ambesa manje hafha dzi ḓo uyesa hafha ri khou ambesa manje hafha so zwe muṅwe na muṅwe a zwi lindela ndo ta video yanga 20 minutes and I khou fhira so zwe muṅwe na muṅwe a zwi lindela is the verse of the year I'm sure vhathu I'm sure verse vhathu vanji ndi nga si guess ndi nga si humbula no humbula but nṋe ndi tshi to ipfha verse for the instant ndi tshi to moto ipfha ndo to zwi pfha zori hey verse ya deserve dzhena hafha hey verse ya deserve and when I listen to all the verses nda zwi pfha zori okay it deserve dzhena number 1 and then that's it man like na ka post yo post nga ndivhuwo maremba or Mr Visionary on his post when he was asking or which verse of the do you think ndi verse yabe ko topa and then I didn't know about it then I did that like and I YouTube hapa then I check and I thought yo man this is a what a verse man what a verse ndiyazdiva zori Chalo B vhathu vanje vhathu mujela ntha but go and listen to this guy man the verse ya Chalo B ka track no Mizophyll wash over by TN man let's go man this is the verse of the year 2020 to wakhala ngwana
Spinga china mlenje email tap no lulingo lkweta uri ndive some cup ndichitero kono kwama bazimbiru zotambawo msika ahotuli nangu save no ambao mano abinduzi ene pezi kwabambao nchwana na komfortu kaya maifi kotambao nipeni no hera nkubalero udiwana nyandishaba nchitiseta zwena mbwara kamutana post ya hune napfa tama yomurawa ngapakati waimbava nkubalero difarero dubalano la mabebo Boba sanga miss dubalone una pepe nkolemerwa ngo forget ever since that day life is sweet same girl nabana watoya mudi skela nango fedza vakododa nyuke budi mara nkosenzera vadatwano na mao kaswezo stukutuku zwena wana toya ndo
come on guys Come on, guys. Hey, verse, hey, verse. This verse, guys, this verse is too. Come on, man. Like, but when I hey, verse, but this verse, man, this verse is like, don't forget about me. Zuko combine or ndive slow, like ndizvando chechaka, but this verse combine ndive slow or ndikono ambas not kuti obazvife. Ah man, this verse, man, this verse is amazing, man. Yeah, that was our top 20, top 10 2020 verse of the year. This verse is number 10 ya Shaban is slow, and the verse ya Mizophyll number 10 now come verse can take them to film rumba. The verse ya will be later number 9 in our kid, nothing personal, first verse in our Rabana verse in our ikobaka racha kill vibe on a second verse in our funanga manda for no tiki funanga manda, the rhyming scheme there. I love this so much. And number 7, the cash flow can take it up to the combo, and now we're in the first verse. Number 6, in the Mizophyll again, can take it up to the full way by popular demand, and it's taken about full verse alpha. I'm talking about number 5, the Metro SMG when I'm gone, second verse in our accompanying about devote defense. Number 4, batondy my fuego verse number 2. Number 3, Mizophyll combo by cash flow. Number 2, and the Romeo chipinga katika chipinga ngatiani. Number 1 ndi Chalo B wash over by cash flow. In our head check and with the commander wherever ife wherever angles the views but subscribe to all these artists. Hey man, notendeliwa uhaneza, notendeliwa uwudzisa, notendeliwa uambanga hazo, because man, these are the verses. 57 I chose from them, and then you are allowed to oppose. But this year because at the end of each and every month maybe even a top 10 verses ndikozamo ndikatire nyimbo mpeni nyimbo todzizama zedzo dzina ndodziwana. You can send a text or put link in gamane fasama link and you go check out link in the one and you could download that, because I'm trying or independent the best of the best, and I'm telling you next year another winner, hey award another winner, the first of the year udro awane zitukutuku even down ndingatonde move musi. Someone come Chalo B the mupe chede winner, because winner verse of the year and also don't pop guys kuvaka chikwama chete mara zvino atinamba yambo. Hey man, this is the verse of the year. Chalo B, big ups, salute. Then very much no gamma woodzi. Then yes man, you did very 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 amazing. And then if you Aubreaction, this is Aubreaction. Sorry for the long video, but it was worth it.